Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain a buy fruits example with a new feature. That is the what happens is whenever there is fruit is not added to the list, it is added to the list whenever menu is chosen. From the menu, if you want to choose one fruit item, it will be added to the list. If you selected for a second time, that item to be removed from the list means that adding to the basket, removing from the basket. So this is the one that I want to show you in this example. I'm doing some modification, please follow whatever I'm doing here. I'm writing a code for removing a item from a basket. Okay. So here what I'm doing is it is checking for a list in a fruits added basket. If it is available, and you chosen for a first time, it is added, means appended. Whenever it is already added, it means that you are trying to remove it, so it is removes from the list. So this is the code I've written. Try to execute it. Okay. I'm selecting an invalid choice. No, it is showing a menu again, it is working. So valid choice. Okay, some mistake, I will rectify it. Here it you have to add fruits added in a print statement, not a available fruits. After selecting a item, means that fruit, it is added to the basket. Basket means that fruits added, not a available fruits. Available fruits is a menu item. So okay, try to execute it again. I'm taking an invalid choice. Again, it is giving a menu. It is working. Okay, orange is added. Orange mango is both added. Here I want to remove orange. Okay, orange is removed. And I want to add some more items. I want to exit from the while loop. Yes, it is giving a output whatever we are expected. So I got some output. I think you understood. Here one more point I missed in the previous session. I want to explain now. In a for loop, we are using a enumerate function enumerate. When it is we are using a enumerate, what it means that it gives a index position at the same time item. Both it will gives a chance to fetch. Here number and fruits are temporary variables or arbitrary objects. These are fetched from the available fruits. Whenever we are doing a enumerate only, we can use multiple arbitrary objects in a for loop. So here number is a index, fruit is a item, number is a index and fruit is a associated item for that index. Both are fetched. So I hope you are clear. And one more time I want to show you the output. Look at the output, how it is. I hope you got a clarity how you are able to remove from the basket whenever it is selected for the second time. Okay. See you in the next session.